Hello gals and guys, and welcome back to The Big Sweep. We are thrilled to have you here with us today. In today's video, we're taking a close-up look at 10 vacuuming mistakes you may be making and how these common errors could be affecting the cleanliness of your home. Hang in until the end to find out which mistake I often make. We'll also discuss what to do about them so you can have a cleaner home when you are finished vacuuming. A few small adjustments can make a big difference. The majority of us believe we have the routine task of vacuuming down pat. It seems straightforward enough. You just plug in the vacuum, turn on the power switch, point it in the right direction, and away you go. Simple, isn't it? But just maybe you should give vacuuming a second thought before your next cleaning session. There's more to it than meets the eye. Is your vacuum being used properly? Are you getting the most out of your machine? Do you have the right vacuum for your particular needs? Have you developed any negative habits? These things can all hinder your cleaning efforts. It may surprise you to learn how some simple changes might improve the effectiveness of the job. Small tweaks can lead to big results. We can assure you that you are not the only one who makes mistakes when it comes to vacuuming and carpet cleaning. Let's dive in and learn about it together. Before we get started, make sure to take a few seconds and give us a thumbs up. Our statistics show that just a mere 10% of you watching are actually subscribed to the channel. It's free, so take a second and free subscribe to The Big Sweep so you don't miss any awesome tips and tricks. Now back to the video. The first mistake is that you're just vacuuming in one direction and too quickly. Again and again, again and again. Yes, after vacuuming your home's carpets for the 7,000th time, you start to form a natural pattern. It is unlikely that all dirt will be collected if you vacuum a rug in the same path each time, or if you frequently just move the vacuum back and forth in one direction. Instead, vacuum the carpet or hard floor from various angles. Focus on making slow, overlapping passes. This is more effective than rushing, which can leave dirt behind. Mistake number 2 is that the filters aren't being cleaned on a regular basis. How recently have you taken your vacuum apart and cleaned or changed the filters? It's a crucial step that many overlook. The most important maintenance you can do for your vacuum is to take care of its filters. Neglecting this step can lead to poor performance. Many vacuums have several filters that need to be cleaned or replaced on a regular schedule to keep them running efficiently. Each type of filter has its own maintenance requirements. Dirty filters will lower the vacuum's suction power and recycle dust back into the room. This not only affects cleaning efficiency, but also indoor air quality. When you're vacuuming, if the air smells dirty, replace the filter or give it a thorough cleaning as recommended by the manufacturer. Regular maintenance ensures your vacuum performs at its best and lasts longer. The third mistake could be that you are using an upright vacuum to clean your stairs. For carpets, upright vacuums are fantastic. But when stairs are involved, it's safer and far more efficient to use a vacuum with an extension wand and attachment. Not only does dragging a heavy vacuum upstairs increase the likelihood that it may fall, but it also runs the risk of dragging the user down the stairs with it, resulting in serious injury. Make the switch today and ensure your safety while cleaning. Mistake number 4. Some surfaces are being missed. Dust accumulation from ignoring the dust beneath couches, mattresses, and other furniture can happen quickly, exacerbating indoor allergies. For the first time in my life, I can be certain that there are no dust bunnies beneath my couch, which is precisely why I love using a robot vacuum. If you have an upright vacuum, be sure to move the furniture around more frequently so that you can clean underneath it and concentrate on areas of the room that you may otherwise overlook, including the corners and edges. Mistake number 5. You don't make good use of the settings on your vacuum. Make sure you learn how to take advantage of any features your vacuum may have, such as an adjustable suction setting or the ability to modify according to the kind of flooring surface. For instance, if you're cleaning a vintage rug, you shouldn't use a strong suction setting. Similarly, if you vacuum the hardwood floors with roller brushes, you could unintentionally blow dust everywhere. For optimum practices, consult your individual owner's manual, as each machine is slightly different. Before we go forward, please take a few seconds to give us a thumbs up and free subscribe to The Big Sweep. Leave us a comment below and tell us what kind of vacuum cleaner you have. Mistake number 6. Deep pile carpets are being vacuumed by your robot. Reduce your expectations. Although robot vacuums are popular, they struggle to get rid of dust and dirt from the thickest of carpets. Thick carpets take more time and suction than the robot can provide, and it can only move back and forth across the carpet in a single direction. There is one benefit though. The robot vacuum appears to prevent dust from getting into the carpet's fibers if you use it frequently enough, 3 times a week or more. Mistake number 7. You're sucking up wet spills. Wet-dry vacuums are in a different category for a reason. Using a standard household vacuum to clean wet areas not only puts the equipment at danger of breaking, but it also typically leaves a smudged mess on the floor and drenches the roller brush. In the worst situation, mold and odor problems may result from the water being drawn into the dust bag or canister. Make sure you only vacuum dry floors to avoid a nasty mess. Number 8. You neglect to clean the separator or brush roll. The brush roll, also known as the brush head, can become entangled with pet fur, human hair, and other debris, making the machine less efficient. Over time, this can lead to reduced suction power and even damage the motor. The brush roll should be inspected regularly, just as the vacuum canister or bag should be cleaned frequently. This ensures that your vacuum operates at peak performance and extends its lifespan. Even better, think about getting a vacuum made specifically for hair and fur. These vacuums are designed to handle the unique challenges that come with pet ownership. Proper vacuums are a must for efficient cleaning for pet owners. They can make a significant difference in maintaining a clean home environment. Some vacuums have advanced technology to remove the tangled hair from the brush head automatically, saving you time and effort. An important part of tank maintenance is to clean your separator, found inside the dirt tank, every few cleans. This will help your vacuum continue to perform at its best and prevent clogs that can reduce efficiency. And mistake number 9. You're either forgetting about the attachments or using the incorrect ones. When used properly, attachments can enhance cleaning outcomes because they are made for specialized jobs. Make sure you know the function of the vacuum cleaner's included attachments. To make cleaning easier and more thorough, you probably have a hard floor brush tool, upholstery tool or head, crevice wand, and other random equipment. Number 10. You're dusting after you vacuum. Make sure to dust surfaces first before using the vacuum if you have a lot of dusting to perform around the house. To put it simply, dust and other particles that fall to the ground are not a concern. After that, you'll simply vacuum them up. These are just some of the common vacuuming mistakes that we all make from time to time. Make sure you keep your vacuum in tip-top shape and vacuum often for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Free subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Let us know in the comments below which vacuuming mistakes you make. Personally, I'm often guilty of mistake number 8. I wait until the vacuum stops working before I clean the roller brush. We really do love to hear from you, and it helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.